Spelling for kids, fruits and vegetables. Let's spell some names of the fruits. Apple. A P P L E. Apple. Cherry. C H E R R Y. Cherry. Pear. P E A R. Pear. Banana. B A N A N A. Banana. Raspberry. R A S P B E R R Y. Raspberry. Orange. O R A N G E. Orange. Plum. P L U M. Plum. And now let's spell names of vegetables. Cucumber. C U C U M B E R. Cucumber. Tomato. T O M A T O. Tomato. Eggplant. E G G P L A N T. Eggplant. Onion. O N I O N. Onion. Beet. B E E T. Beet. Carrot. C A R R O T. Carrot. Bell pepper. B E L L. P E P P E R. Bell pepper. Well done! Please don't forget to subscribe. You can find more interesting videos on our channel. See you soon!